Most people join InboxDollars thinking they'll make easy money fast. Then, reality hits. Surveys disqualify them, rewards feel slow, and many start wondering if the platform is even worth using anymore. Here's the truth no one tells you. InboxDollars still works in 2026, but only if you use it the right way. In this video, you'll learn how InboxDollars actually works today, what tasks pay the most, the biggest mistakes users make, and whether this platform is still worth your time in 2026. Let's get straight to the answer. InboxDollars is still a legitimate rewards platform. Users can earn money through surveys, game offers, cashback shopping, and app sign-ups. The company has been around for years, and many users continue receiving payouts through PayPal and gift cards. But here's the problem. Most people rely only on surveys. This is where many users fail. Surveys often pay very little compared to the time required, and disqualifications can become frustrating fast. For example, Jake spent nearly 20 minutes answering survey questions only to get screened out before completion. Later, he switched to app install offers and gaming tasks and started earning more consistently in less time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. In 2026, the highest paying opportunities on InboxDollars are usually partner offers, not daily surveys. Some mobile game offers pay significantly more if you reach certain levels within a time limit. Cashback deals can also add up quickly if you already shop online regularly. Another thing many people overlook is the minimum payout threshold. InboxDollars often requires users to reach a certain balance before cashing out. For beginners, this can make the platform feel slower compared to newer reward apps. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest strategy to make InboxDollars feel more worth it. Before that, there's one mistake you need to avoid. Don't rush through offers without reading requirements carefully. Alex skipped one small instruction during an app offer and lost an entire reward because the tracking didn't complete properly. Now, for the smarter strategy. Use InboxDollars as a side rewards app, not your only earning method. Focus on high-paying game offers, cashback opportunities, and short daily tasks instead of spending hours chasing low-paying surveys. But here's the catch. Earnings vary heavily depending on your country, available offers, and how much time you're willing to invest. Some users make small extra cash monthly, while others quit quickly because they expect unrealistic income. So is InboxDollars still worth it in 2026? For casual users looking for small side earnings, yes. Especially if you focus on the best offers. But if you expect fast or full-time income, you'll probably be disappointed. The key takeaway is simple. Avoid wasting time on low-value tasks, read every offer carefully, and focus on the highest-paying opportunities first. If you've tried InboxDollars, comment below with your experience and biggest payout so far. And subscribe for more honest app reviews, reward platform comparisons, and online income guides.